Hello, welcome to this video in which I will present you Neuro Support, a platform to assist autist individuals to support them in various ways. So, it's a one connected space for planning, communication, coaching, and care. So, to have more information about how to use this application, you can go to View Demo, which will redirect you to a YouTube video where you can see the platform in action. The platform has as key modules, core modules, a daily planner for autistic individuals to help them follow a plan which may support them in one way or another, a mood tracker to track their mood, describe them, which may even help media therapists and caregivers to know how they feel. AI social coach, which help them train themselves in simulations of school activities, work activities, or any social activity. A communication aid, which help them to communicate using not only text but also symbols, which are more expressive, which can be more expressive on them through the application. A knowledge base where therapists and therapists can share knowledge, and autists can read those knowledge. Other therapists can read those knowledge for communication. Towards peace booking to book sessions, to book therapy sessions with professional and with verified professional therapists. There's also a community forums where they can discuss about any updates or finding they got as well as alerts. So, this application has two main roles, the autistic individuals and the therapist. The administrator role is only for the developer. It's not concerned with the general public and will not be there in future demo videos or when you will access this application. So to access this application, you can type this domain name on your URL in the URL of your default navigator. So let's continue. We have the autist individuals and their features, planner, mood tools, social, coaching, AC. We have therapists who can review book, conduct Google Meet session if they want to make they can make therapy online or review shared progress and many other things. And we have the workflow, the registration, onboarding, building, and all the like. So, for frequently asked questions, we have some frequently asked questions here, which will be extended. So, from this landing page, you can register, log in if you always have an account, or view a demo. So, to register, I can just press the register button, and depending on the speed of your internet connection, you will be redirected here today. Today, um, register page where you can enter your name, email, and passwords and choose your role. Are you an autistic individual or are you a licensed therapist? This platform admin will not be there in future videos and does not concern the general public. You can accept our terms and conditions without any issues. Then now you just press the create account, which will send you an email to verify your email. It will send you an email. Then there will be a pop-up here where you'll be able to press. Let me demonstrate that. Okay, let's say I want to register as an autistic individual. When I create an account, there will be a pop-up which will appear asking me to check for my email. You would generally receive an email with the confirmation that you press to confirm. After that, it will redirect you to the login page. But you can also come back here and press I check my email if the email was confirmed. So without wasting more time, let's go to the autist portal. The autist portal is the place where you arrive or where you are redirected when you register as admin. And generally, when you arrive, you appear on the dashboard where you can see some quick actions, some of your stats, complete tasks, routine tricks, call session, and all the like. So that's what the dashboard is all about. We have the planner. The planner permits you to create tasks, and manage them and track them. You can add a task, a time to do that, as well as a description and create that task. Also, you can also select the category related to the task. So let's close it. You can see today's task here. You'll be able to see upcoming task, overdue tasks, as well as plan a reminder. So these are my tasks. When the time arrive, it triggers a notification that will signal here and that you can open to read here. So let's create a task. Mm, okay, creating. Okay, just give it a minute to load. Okay, this is the task here. You can mark the task as done. You can see the time, the category, the status if it's pending or if it is overdue. In 1 minute it will be overdue, so you will see the task under here. So that's how the task function. That's how the tasks function. You can click here to select it as done. Okay, next we have the mood tracker, the mood lock. It permits you to lock your lock your mood as an artist, green for calm and regulate, yellow as elevated and stress, or red as crisis. You can add the information and save the mood. Now when you save the mood, a minute for it to load, you will see this um, visual that will appear and the AI would suggest give you recommendations about the next steps based on your description. So here you can say name the next support whatsoever. Prepare one calming action before the next stress whatsoever. So that's how it functions. So not only you can lock your mood with the description of it, that AI from which AI can give you an insight to ameliorate your mood. So the next thing is the AC, the AC, AAC, which is an advanced aid communication, which can permit you to communicate um, with symbols like this. We have various symbols here, as well as you can use text, a keyboard. So as well, you can use your keyboard to add some text if you don't find them on the symbols. So what it does is that it permits you to speak out the word,
Food water help GHGH.
to speak out the words if you're kind of shy or you don't feel like speaking. And when you speak, it appears here on the what you recently used. And it's also the most used since it's the only one, it's number that is the most used. And you can also pin some phrases. So if I pin, for example, this, it will be it will go to the pin phrase. Okay, pin is done. So it is also now present on the pin phase. So you can reuse it just by by pressing the speak, or you can use it on the text if you want to just modify it. So
Food water help GHGH.
and you can delete it. So that's how it functions. You can modify the informations, the settings, the voice settings using communication. The knowledge base permits you to read articles written by therapists about autist conditions, how you can ameliorate some certain things in your autist life. So you can find many of them. You can find an article, but this one is not related to autism, it was just for the testing. You can find an article, you can bookmark or unbookmark it. So if the article is very important for you or relevant for you, you can just press the bookmark article and the article will be in 1 minute bookmarked. So articles are rendered in markdown format. Let us go back. To see bookmark articles, you can come here and press bookmarked, and you will see all the bookmarked articles. You can also search the articles, of course. The next thing is the coach. Coach is all about how you being trained, having some simulations of scenario to ameliorate your daily life. For example, you can have a scenario of you asking a teacher for help, making friends at break, expressing feeling, overwhelmed, and whatever you like. You can also see the when you converse with the AI or doing the simulation, you have some session feedbacks to say what went well and what did not. So, and you can see the recent coach history. So, if I click here, you'll see this conversation. What did I say? What were the response? What were the feedbacks I received from the AI? So that's how that's what the coach is all about. So I can have just press to have a new conversation here if I want to go out of the coach history. So the next part is the forum. What the forum genuinely permits you is to share updates about your situation, your life, or whatsoever you would like to share. So you can create them a post, you can create posts, you can make their content, you can put simple posts, or you can style them using what they call the markdown styling format. But if you don't know it, no bother, you can just control to style it. But it's the same style used by Facebook and WhatsApp. So you can post it, and when the post is done, the dialog will close. So for things you posted, you can delete them or edit them, but you cannot for things posted by other individuals. For example, I Caesar Magic posted this 2 hours ago. I cannot edit or delete it, but things I posted myself, I can edit or delete them. You can reply to post. You can like post, save them. If you want to view them later, if they are very important for you, you can save them. Let us reply to a post. You press the reply button, this dialog appears, then you type your reply and send it. It will take a minute or two, a minute based on your internet connection or more, but it's supposed to be done by now. Okay, it's done. So you should have the where is it? Where is it? Oh, seems to be taking more time, but yes, based on your internet connection, my internet connection is very not good, so that's why it takes time. But here you can see how it will appear when it will be done, and here you can see the saved posts. You can click on them if you directly want to go to a specific saved post. But let us go to, oh, that's unfortunate, it's slow. I will try to see how it can be accelerated. But let us go to the next module, which is the messaging. The messaging generally permits you to, okay, as I was saying, the message session permits you to have conversations with your therapist if you are an autist, and sharing preference. You can accept to share your mood or your mood history or your task progress. So, and you can see your inbox. So that's what messages permits to. Or I'm just from adding it, so it's not complete since it was not as our requirement, one of our project requirements. I just thought it would have been good to have it, to have something like that. So the next thing is the therapist page, where you can actually book therapist. You can book a therapist. I already booked this therapist, so you can book an appointment with the therapist, view his profile, the time, his time of work, and all the like. You can also message him by pressing the message button. Um, it's about appointment, maybe maybe 25 Main Street. You can start a conversation like this. It's send this message, and the therapist will receive it. You can see here in my inbox, I have this message I sent, which started a conversation. So I can continue to converse with him, tell him more, and you will see when I will go to the therapist that he actually received those messages. So this is about the autist portal. The other thing is yes, the settings. You can change the region. Maybe the font size is not adequate for you. You can see how it increases here. Yes, well, let us just reset it. You can change the mode, light or dark mode, depending on your convenience. If you're, for example, outside, you will not be like to be like to have a dark mode, and if you're, for example, in your house in the evening, you will not like to have a light mode. So the dark mode, which is purely dark, and the balance mode, which I prefer because it's dark but it has some shadow and lightning. Okay, so this is all about the autist portal. Now let us go to the therapist portal. The therapist portal. Okay, the therapist portal, as all other portal, starts on the dashboard. Okay, take some time to load on the dashboard. I can see my active client, which is one magic anesthesia, the one I'm currently from showing. Magic anesthesia, the autist I'm currently from showing. This therapist is anesthesia magic. So I can see my active client, my today's schedule, which is empty because I don't have an appointment especially for today. I can see messages because the in client signals I see magic answers in green, and I can press directly the messages to go and see if he hold me some message or I should reply to something. So it takes time depending on your internet connection, but here now you can see the messages I'm just from sending. Maybe 25 minutes late, I'm NGK whatsoever, and I can reply to the messages. Reply, yo, yo. Let me send this. Can send a message. Now it depends on the internet connection. The message is sent. So if I go to the what? To the autist. I go to the autist. Let me refresh it. To ensure I have it first because it can actually come without refreshing, but it may take some time. So I have now the message of the therapist. So you may find the therapist layout to be better than that of the autist layout. Don't worry about that. I will ameliorate, enhance the autist look soon. So the next thing is the booking. Booking therapist on therapist portal is all about confirming the books made, for example, by Magic Narcissa. He booked me today, so I can confirm a booking. It's been confirmed if we can enter into my schedule. So I can confirm this booking, or I can ask him or her to reschedule it. So after I booked it, it may take some minutes to arrive here on the session calendar. Some minutes, but you can see a review follow up planner. He is now on review, non confirmed. And you have a guideline to distinguish between confirmed, pending, and completed and cancelled whatsoever. So let me go first of all to the forum before I can see what's going on with the session calendar. As I said, my internet is very slow. So on the forum, I can see all the messages. I can see the reply I previously made in GBG that was slow to come, but maybe I just had to refresh it. You can see also the posts. I can make my own post. I can make the post anything. We post that same procedure as the other one. So if I save it, you see that it directly appeared here. I can save more. It appears here, but if I directly want to see the saved, I can just press any one of those. So the save is not very vital. Let us now go to the knowledge base. The knowledge base is what typically permits therapists to create articles. So I can create an article as a therapist, title it whatsoever, put whatsoever content in it, and all like that. Then I can either save it as draft, that is, it will not be sent for review to the admin, to the platform admin, or I can submit it for review. So it will be, it should be, there's a text limit. Let us see if I have some text here that I can use as um an article. This one about an error I had. So I can submit this now for review. It will go to the it will go to the admin portal for review. So let us press it. You can see how it will look like, how the other users will see it. And when we go to, but you will not see find it inside the autist knowledge base. Why? Because it had not yet been approved by the admin. Here you are still seeing one one article. Why here on the autist pardon on the top page you can see this one that was created but not yet there because it has not been approved. All articles are reviewed to ensure all quality content are passed. Okay, so I already showed the message section, the message section which has a good layout, a great layout even. Yes, you can see the client. I'll go to the clients. You can see my different clients. For now, I have one who is Magic Ash, and I can manage my account. Managing an account is important because you should be a verified therapist in this platform and have a licensed IT, else you will not be approved as a therapist. You will register, fill your account, but you will not be a verified therapist in the platform. So you fill your license, your region, your session fee range, and specialization we guess general. Your language you can add French you can put French under here, or you can, or if you only speak French. By the way, the only thing left for this on this platform is for it to be in French or in English. This is the format in which you have availability. Monday, the time, then hybrid, can be hybrid, can be online, or it can be on-site only. And it will appear like this: verified, approved license, approved region, and current whatsoever. So that is how the therapist presents itself. Same, the settings are quite the same as those for the autist. Now let us now see the admin portal. The admin portal, the admin is the person who manages the platform. He is responsible for approving submitted articles. He is responsible for verifying all the posts. If an autist posts something, it verifies that the post is appropriate for other autists. If a therapist posts something on the forum, it verifies that it is appropriate before approving it. So, the admin can see all the users and can change their roles. You can see all the users in the platform, the emails, their role. You can change the role, see when they were the last active open case or the like. So you can see the therapist. He's the one responsible to approve therapists, as well as he can reject them if if we verify the license and say it's not correct, or the region is not appropriate for this platform, or cannot find a client from this platform, he can reject it, or for any other reason. So that's what he does. So here you can see the therapist Anish Zamadik, who has been approved, hence is verified now. The knowledge base. On the knowledge base, you will see all the knowledge base, what has been approved, what can be seen now when you're on the Otis page. This one, GHVVV, whatever. They is it here under, it has been approved. What has not been approved yet is the EGKL. You can see it is among the pending. If I reject it, it will go to rejected. If I approve it, it will go to approve. So let us approve this. Let's approve it. So it's no more on pending, it is indeed approved. So if I go to these articles and I kind of refresh it, you see it appearing. So that's it for the knowledge base. So when after the user submitted it, the admin review, he approve or he rejects it. And after, if he approve, it is automatically published. If not, it's not. The moderation is about forum moderation. It is the one moderating the content, all the posts. If you have not approved the post, for example, he's not approved Anish Magic, who is the therapist. He have not yet approved one of his posts. Reason why the post cannot be seen to on the Otis forum. That post cannot be seen on the Otis forum. So if he verifies the post and 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 find it to be an appropriate one, my internet connection is quite slow, sorry, you're able to see the post here, but for now you cannot see that post. So let us go and approve it. Okay, and you can remove it if it's not appropriate. So this GG whatever, I approve it. It's no more flag. You will not be flagged when after the approval is done. Toxicity score. How toxic is the post? That's what it means. Toxicity score. It is determined by the AI. So let us approve it because it's just templates that is not like important stuff. So I approve everything. The admin can also analyze, you can see the analytics of the platform. How the AI usage. The AI usage is quite a lot because he used the AI usage during content moderation to determine the toxicity. Use the AI knowledge from doing the AI coach. Use the AI knowledge to gain insights about mode track, mode track, and all the like. So that's why you can see 30%. And you can see the AI volume, request volume. Yes, since I started using the application, the AI feature. So you can see for today, it's just three AI request volume. So OD trade permit me to OD the main activities like forum post moderate. What I'm just from doing, accepting the post form, um, approving post. So this is all about the platform, the admin portal. The settings is same as the other settings, so nothing to add here. So we have the admin portal that we went through. We have the autist portal that we also went through, and we have the therapist portal which we also went through, as well as the landing and login and register page. So this is all for this video. Hope it was useful for you.